welcome back to a Red Solo Cup lab here. My geopolymer, man, wow, you won't believe this. My neighbor came over last night, or the other night, and said, hey, how's your cement going there? So I said, actually, it's going pretty good. Here's my first 1, 2, 3 batches I made, or my first 3 experiments. I made this batch last night. These 3 are a batch, and this is a little sample of that batch. And I kicked these with aluminum, Aluma, which I made. Anyways, these things are pretty hard. This is one of my first 3, and it's got a lot of iron in there. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of getting a little sparkly looking. But it's hard. It's really hard now. For the first week, it was like really. And now here's the thing. Check this out. They say these geopolymer rocks, or a lot of these rocks, are so hard that they ring when you hit them. See that big old chisel there? It's a chunk of steel. Listen to this. Hear that? That's a chunk of steel, a steel chisel hitting. Can you hear that tink? I was amazed. I could not believe how hard that is. Now here, let's try this. See how this one is. A little bit different formula. I think this one's got some lime in it. Now that one's a little clunky. See, that didn't have that. Hear that ring? It's kind of in there. Depends on where you hit it, I guess. This one isn't quite as hard as this one. That I couldn't believe that ring. So this is my 3rd batch I made last night, doing little pillow rocks here, doing some little pillow face and joining them together, making all that really cool megalithic looking stuff.